Hello kids, I welcome you in my channel Some Songs. I'm going to teach you our first letter sound. Tell me, do you want to learn that? Let's start then. So I'm going to start that sound of that letter with a story. Tell me, do you like to hear the stories? Wow, that's wonderful. So today's story is all about, guess who walks like this? Yes, it's a snake. So today's story is all about a sneaky snake. Once upon a time, there was a sneaky snake who loved slithering by and who loved to sing his favorite song, I am a snake, I love to Yes, you are right. So letter S sound is S, S, S. Now I want you to practice with me. Ready? S, S, S. Very good. Great job. Now let's see how letter S looks like. See, this looks like a snake, right? Yes, and now we will learn how to form letter S. So now you have to bring your finger on the screen and follow this line. Very good. And now you have to tell me which picture does not have the S sound. So first picture is sun, snail, and then we have spider, and then the last picture is drum. So tell me which picture does not have the sound? Yes, it's a drum. Now let's find out which object starts here with letter S. Very good. It's a snake and a spider too. Now let's see some words which starts with sound. Socks, sun, seal, school, sand. Wow kids, you have done an amazing job. Now the rest of the words you have to tell me, okay? And I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then do like this channel and do subscribe it and follow it. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.